Hi guys, so my name is Ayush Jain. I have been born and brought up in Calcutta, and I started learning something about music. Started from piano, then moved on to guitar. I think I was practicing both at a point in time, and generally, developed interest in music. I started back at the age of 5. As and when I progressed, learning more about music. I got to know about the technical aspect of it, how things are being taken up on a professional space. I got to know about programming, music production, arrangement, how a song gets mixed, how a song gets mastered, and all of that aftermath. It's not just someone comes up and plays some of the stuff. It's not just that a singer comes and sings a song. It's more to it. There are many other people who are behind the lines who are working like in an amazing manner. So the moment I got to know about all of that, I tried giving it a shot. On my own. I tried making music. Trying out stuff. Using DAWs, but there's only to a limit. You can learn because these courses, these topics are not very well covered online. Free of cost. People will give you tips and tricks that you might create, take loops and all and create stuff, but that's only 1% of what you can achieve, what you can do, and that's only 1% of the options available. And frankly, creating a loop is not something I look down upon, but then it really restricts your way of working and stuff like that. Obviously, this is just an example for people who are looking out for mixing, mastering, or sound engineering course. For them, I can give various other examples. So yeah, as I told you, I'm in Calcutta, and I didn't find any that professional and trusted organization where I can sign up as a student, a school from where I can learn, like. And even if I found one, the faculty doesn't seem very appealing to me. So what I did is I was just randomly searching online. I got to know about Bollywood School of Bollywood Music, and I called up their alumni, and I spoke to them, and the feedback was really very good. But I still have some doubts. Like many of you guys might have doubts that I use only Cubase or Nuendo. I don't have Logic or Apple. Whether I'll be able to produce it in Nuendo, Cubase, and not Logic, and there are many other things to it. So that's the first time I actually had a call arranged with the faculty, now my sir and guardian in the field of music, that is Arjit sir. He answered all my questions, and then he also explained what the curriculum is all about, how he's gonna teach, how he's gonna cover, and to be honest, the part of teaching which he told was very interesting. And the best part is that because I was already working and studying here in Calcutta, and because I was not able to shift to Mumbai, and also the lockdown conditions and all, what I did is I inquired that whether it's possible for me to take these classes online, because it was really appealing, really trustworthy after hearing what Arjit sir had to say. And I really wanted to learn from the experts. Everybody knows Mumbai is the place for music. So what I did is I had an arrangement with the school. I started learning it online. I got the entire access to it online, and I started back in June, and I can't even express really in words how my experience has been this entire time. There is no doubt you will have which he cannot solve. The classes are very flexible. The faculty is very, very friendly. They are not those typical schools who will be like, listen, we have taught you the course, we can't teach you anything above and beyond that. So that's one of the very different things which I liked about the school, that it's not only a school, it's a family. And I think that's how it's meant to be, because when you are learning something which is such creative, at such a high level, you need that family instinct. You need that instinct which is more than a student teacher. It's more than a job which you are doing or a job which your teacher is doing. So I think that's something which I really came across here. And yeah, I think that's it. Also, I I had really some amazing doubts which I had never got answered back on. Also some concepts, like as I told you, I was learning since the age of 5. There were a lot of concepts which I knew, which I used to apply, but then there was lesser clarity on that. And the moment you have lesser clarity, there is only to a limit where you can apply those concepts. So the faculty at School of Bollywood Music also helped me brush up those things. And I'm really glad that I took this decision of taking the class online. For people who are thinking online might not be that great a decision, sound is something which is heard and felt and understood more at a physical space. That's not the case. I think if you are going for School of Bollywood Music, it's the distance doesn't matter. You can go and take offline classes as well. You can come and take online classes like me, and you'll be good to go. So I think that's it for from my side. I hope seeing you guys enrolling for this, and again I think we'll have great fun learning together. Cheers.